ఈ వీడియోలో మనం స్ట్రక్చర్స్ కాన్సెప్ట్ అయితే చూడబోతున్నాం. సో స్ట్రక్చర్ స్టార్ట్ చేసే ముందు ఇది ఎందుకు వాడాలి, 5 క్వశ్చన్స్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ కాన్సెప్ట్ నేర్చుకునే వాళ్ళకి. ఫస్ట్ వచ్చేసరికి వాట్ ఆర్ స్ట్రక్చర్స్ అండ్ వై వి నీడ్ స్ట్రక్చర్స్, వెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ యాక్చువల్లీ ఇంట్రడ్యూస్డ్, వేర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇంప్లిమెంటెడ్ ఇన్ అవర్ డైలీ లైఫ్, హౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ యూస్ఫుల్. సో ఈ 5 క్వశ్చన్స్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో ఫస్ట్ వచ్చేసరికి స్ట్రక్చర్ తెలిసే ముందు మీకు కొన్ని కాన్సెప్ట్స్ తెలియాలి. ఫస్ట్ వచ్చేసరికి వేరియబుల్ అంటే ఏంటి, మనందరికీ తెలుసు వేరియబుల్ అంటే నథింగ్ బట్ ఇట్ స్టోర్స్ ఏ వాల్యూ ఇన్ ఏ మెమరీ. ఇది ఒక డేటా టైప్, ఇది ఒక వేరియబుల్ నేమ్, ఇది ఒక వాల్యూ, రైట్? ఇట్ స్టోర్స్ ఓన్లీ ఏ సింగిల్ వాల్యూ. నౌ యూ వాంట్ టు స్టోర్ మల్టిపుల్ వాల్యూస్. సో మల్టిపుల్ వాల్యూస్ మీన్స్ I am taking array. Array means simple int a of 10. Here I am taking 10. Same data type. Multiple values of same data type. Very important. Array వచ్చేసరికి same data type. We are storing multiple values in a memory. Now I want different data types of multiple values in a memory. Imagine in a class there are total 60 students. 60 students in a class. Now I want to store 60 students information. So every student I want roll number, name and first semester marks, I mean CGPA, whatever it may be. Here carefully observed, roll number means nothing but int data type, right? Name means nothing but string. In C we are taking like a just absolute string. Marks means nothing but float. Here I am taking three different data types. Now you want to group into a single variable. Is it possible? Yeah, it is possible. Then the concept is introduced as structures. Structures is nothing but a user defined data type. Very important. User defined data type, which means user can define on their own data type. Imagine in a class I want only roll number, name and marks. But in another class I want roll number, name, marks, address and MCET rank. Based on my requirement I am going to define a data type. That is nothing but structure. Very very important. First point is user defined data type. And coming to the definition, structure is an user defined data type that groups variables into different data types under a single name. This is nothing but the structure definition completed. Why we need a structure? Same example. If imagine I am taking variable for 60 students, I am taking 60 variables S1 S2 up to S60. It is not possible, right? Completely waste of memory. For taking 60 variables for 60 students, for each student you want again 3 data. For S1 dot roll number, S1 dot name, S1 dot marks. Again it stores total 180 variables. 60 into per student 3 variables we are going to declare. 180 variables, completely waste of time, unnecessary. Again if you want to take array is for same data type, storing multiple values. For roll number we can take array, for name we can take array, for marks we can take array. For 3 different data types we are going to declare 3 different arrays. Again it is a complete waste of memory. We are going to declare all in one, I mean different data types under a single name. That is nothing but structure. How to declare a structure? Very important. First point is nothing but to declare a structure we are going to use struct keyword. What's that? Struct keyword. Then structure name. Structure name means here I am taking student. Why? Because I am going to declare a student name, right? So data int roll number, then again char name of 20. So I am entering 20 maximum number of records. Then float marks. For your information, whenever you're going to declare a structure, end of the brace semicolon is very very important. I'm going to tell you the rules, also simple rules. First thing, struct keyword is used to define a structure. Student means structure name. Here you're going to give any name, but I'm going to declare roll number, name, marks, right? That's why I'm giving student. Then int roll number. Int means roll number means integer, right? That's why I'm defining int data type. Name means string, right? In C, string is not possible. That's why group of character we're taking char name of 20, maximum number of records. Float mocks. Here I'm taking different data types. That's why I'm choosing float. Instead of mocks, you can take integer also. Not a big deal. This is actually defining a structure. And this is called members of structure. What we call members of structure. Structure name, struct keyword, right? Now there are total 3 rules you should follow while declaring a structure. First thing is very important. Semicolon is mandatory. If you forgot to write a semicolon at the end of the brace, it is completely wrong. Remember, very, very important. And second thing, duplicate members are not allowed while declaring a structure. Not allowed, which means here I am already declaring int roll number. Again I am trying to declaring. Again I am trying to declaring with a different data type. No, it is wrong. Once you declared, you do not declare again and again. Duplicate members are not allowed. And coming to third one, cannot initialize while declaring the structure. What it means? Remember, here I am giving int roll number, right? Here I am just int roll number. I am declaring just int roll number is equals to 6. This is wrong. We cannot initialize while defining the structure. While declaring a structure, we cannot initialize. Very, very important. So here we are going to tell you the definition. Structure is nothing but structure is a user defined data type that groups variables into different data types, different data types under a single name. That is nothing but structure. So how to declare a structure? Using struct keyword, structure name, members of the structure, at the end of the brace, semicolon is very important. Now there are 3 rules to follow. First thing is semicolon is mandatory. If you forgot to take a semicolon, it is completely show you an error. Now second point, duplicate members are not allowed. While already declared, you are going to declare again and again. It is not going to define a structure. Very important. And third one, cannot initialize while declaring the structure. Here I am just giving the template. I am not initializing any values to the variables. So you can't initialize while declaring the structure. Very important points. Then in next video we are going to see initialization and accessing the variables and array of structures, nested structures, everything. If you have any queries regarding that, please comment in that comment section. I will be replying all of your replies. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting. Thank you.